I'm at Causeway Point, but that's not important. I just want to share with you guys an update, something that I've received from somebody important, somebody who works in Ahem. So I'll get straight to the point. 171's extension to Tengah has been officially cancelled. And the reason for the cancellation is because so 171 was supposed to use Choa Chu Kang Avenue 1 into Tengah. But basically the deleted sectors of the proposed 171, it all went over to 984. So for the other services that are actually going to Tengah, 174 and 181 are still on the list of services that could be extended to Tengah. But 171 got shelved. I just confirmed it with my intel. One more thing, which isn't really important, but years ago my friend wrote to LTA suggesting that 171 and 180 merge to become one service, but LTA actually rejected it. So yeah,